Now, one way of reinforcing your overlock stitching, so I'm making a pocket here. I'm going to overlock this edge along here, and I want the overlock to be secure on both ends. So the way I like to do this is make sure the needles are out, and I'm going to start stitching away from my overlocking. So start about there, about an inch into the fabric. Okay. And then so along there, and then when I come off the fabric, gently make sure you don't drag your fabric. So I've got it all sitting on my lap. Flip this over and then bring it in front of the needles, and then start chaining forward. Now I've got the raw edge there, which I can snip away now. Or if you want to, you can tuck it in and stitch it, but keep away from the knife for the start. And then continue on. Trim away any raw edges. Careful not to pull this, otherwise you'll end up with a lettuce edge, which is like a wavy effect. Go all the way, chain off again, and then make sure your needles are up and out. Move your fabric off the chaining fork, and again gently flip that around, bring it in front of your needles. So bring everything in front of your needles and keep away from the knife, and we just chain back on, and then pull everything off the chaining fork. So just gently there, don't drag it off, we're going to chain off like that, and then you can trim those threads away, and then the overlocking is nice and secure at the top and at the bottom, and have fun with it.